Hello everyone, and welcome to my new video on stock market, where I'm going to discuss about stock market books. So the books that you should read to gain knowledge about stock markets, and that can also help you a lot. I mean, when you take a decision where I should buy this stock or not, whether this I should sell this stock or not. So that will be very helpful. So of course, best way to gain knowledge about anything is by reading books. So even for financial knowledge, if you want to gain knowledge about stock markets, do read books to gain knowledge. It also builds a lot of confidence on you because you are learning from a lot of great investors who have written those books. So you are learning from their experience. So that will also help you build confidence. I will discuss about my collection of books here, like what books I have read, and I will also provide just a brief summary of all of this. And also you will find the links of all these books in the description. So the Amazon link. So you can, if you want to buy, you can buy that link. Sorry, buy that book. Of course, there are two types of books here. One is basic book and one is advanced book. So first read the basic book, then go to the advanced one. Do not follow the opposite. And also Twitter and Google are other good ways for gaining information. On Twitter, you can follow good investors and gain from their knowledge. And on Google, of course, Google search is there. So anything if you have doubt, right, do Google search and read about them. So first I will discuss about some of the personal finance book. So let's say if you're earning, you have money, how to manage this money. So how to manage your expense. Now let's say if you have some savings left, what to do with these savings. So these personal finance books will basically teach you this. So there are two books that I will recommend you here, Rich Dad Poor Dad and The Richest Man in Babylon. Both are actually great books, so I will recommend you to read both. So Rich Dad Poor Dad mostly talks about uh, assets and liabilities. Plus they also talk about cash flows. The Richest Man in Babylon also talks about seven important, I will say, points that you should follow. For your economic success, like for getting rich. So read both the books. They are quite helpful for personal finance. So they do not mention anything like about stocks. Of course, Rich Dad Poor Dad does mention about stocks, but it does not mention like anything basics about stock, like what is stock and everything. It just, in a very brief manner, it mentions about stock. So these two books are for just for personal finance. Now, let's say if you want to focus on stock market and you want to read some books about stock market. So let me recommend you some of the books. If you are a beginner, you do not know anything about stock market, then some of the books that you can read. Of course, I also read this. These are the first three books that I read when I was when I started investing and I wanted to gain knowledge about stock market. All these are very basic books from Peter Lynch. So first book is Learn to Earn, second is Once Upon Wall Street, and third is Beating the Street. So I will always recommend you to read first two at least, that is Learn to Earn and Once Upon Wall Street. The third one, that is Beating the Street, is basically, how you should have a portfolio like mutual fund, like how you can beat them. So I recommend you to at least read first two, Learn to Earn and Once Upon Wall Street. So in Learn to Earn, Peter Lynch just gives you a brief idea of stock market, not brief idea, a detailed idea of stock markets, how a stock market works, how a stock market originated, and comparing stock market with bonds, real estate, and everything. That's done in the first book, Learn to Earn. In Once Upon Wall Street, he actually discusses how to select stocks. So these two books are very important. So if you, let's say if you know the basics of stock market, how stock market works, then you can just go to the second book, Once Upon Wall Street. So it will basically tell you like how to pick up stocks in stock, how to pick stocks in stock market. This is another good book on stock market, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. So this normally deals with the like quality of the stock, like what qualities you should look when buying a stock, when to buy a stock, when to sell a stock. So these all things are mentioned in this book, and this is also a very good book on this, like how to do a qualitative, analysis of a stock. Then these are two other books, like both are quite similar book, like both the books give you a formula that you can use in stock market to pick up stocks which can be multi-bagger. So the first book is a little book that beats the market by Joel Greenblatt, and the second book is Coffee Can Investing by Saurabh Mukherjee. So one is from Indian author, one is from foreign author. So of course the examples in both the books are different. So in the second book, Coffee Can Investing, a lot of examples are from the Indian stock market. But in the first book, of course, the examples are from the US stock market mostly. These both are also very good books. And of course, now if you want to, let's say, understand the finance of like company, if you want to read their financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, so I will recommend you to read this book, Romancing the Balance Sheet by Anil Lamba. This is a very good book. In very basic way, this book will explain you what all those terms are, what is like profit, return on capital employed, and every terms that you hear in stock market, that financial term, you will understand from this, most of this. I mean, you will hear those terms even in Peter Lynch books and other books. So they will also give you some idea about that, what that is actually. But from this book, it will become more clear, I will say. After this, you can go to Stock to Riches. So these are all, I will say, books for beginners itself. But follow that order, what I have told here, that may be good. So Stocks to Riches is like, it's mostly on behavior finance, like how a trader or an investor react when the price goes up or price goes down. So in this book, Parag Parikh talks about this mostly. So these all are the, I will say, the books for beginners that I mentioned here. So you should read all of this. If you read all of this, you should be very clear with at least like what stocks to pick now, at least when to buy, when to sell stocks. Everything you should be clear. Now let me tell you some advanced books also. So these advanced books are basically if you want to follow value investing. So if you want to like find out the valuation, actual valuation of the company, like because if you see that some company is trading at a discount in the stock market, right, then you have a good opportunity to buy that stock. So how to basically pick those type of stocks which are basically trending at discount in the stock market. So of course, the Intelligent Investor is one of the famous book. Even Warren Buffett followed this book. So it is written by Benjamin Graham. So I didn't mention this book at the beginning because this is not a book for beginner. If you do not know anything about the stock market, do not go and read this book. You will not understand much from this book then. I also did the mistake and I didn't understand much. So I went back to all the beginners book. Then I came to this book. And the next book is Value Investing. I like From Graham to Buffett and Beyond by Bruce Ian Greenwald. This is also quite good book. I mean, I'm just reading this book now, but I found it quite interesting. So you can also read this if you want. And also the reviews are quite good for this book. So I will give my overall review once I complete this book. I am still reading this book. And the last, this is another great book on like valuation of the stock, the Little Book of Valuation by Aswath Damodaran. Like he is quite popular for valuing a stock, like finding the valuation of a stock. And his videos are also there on YouTube. So you can follow both of this. And these are basically advanced book. Understand this, right? Do not first jump on these books. First complete the beginner's book, then jump onto this. Then there are some miscellaneous books that you can read. These two books actually, they are from the Indian, I would say Indian authors. And both of this, like the first book is, The Unusual Billionaires. This book actually talks about 7 of the greatest Indian companies like HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Asian Paints, Marico, all of this. And they describe the journey of this company, like how they started very small and how they grew into a large cap companies. So that is quite great book. Second book is Intelligent Fanatics of India. This is also quite good book. So, so all the companies that are mentioned in the second book are not listed in the stock market, but they go through the journey of those companies. So if you want to get extra knowledge about this company, that's useful. So these are miscellaneous. I mean, if you want to read it, read it. If you do not want to read, do not read. It's okay. But do read the beginner's book, that I mentioned. So you will get a very good idea of like what stock market is, how a stock market works, which stock you should buy, which stock you should avoid, when to buy the stock, when you should sell the stock, how to do fundamental analysis of a stock. So everything you will understand from the beginner's book. Once you have understood this, then move to advanced books where you can basically try to value a company, right? So what is the actual value of the company now? Because in stock market, a company can trade at insane valuation, right? You do not know actually what is the value, right? So to find out that, you can read those 3 books that I mentioned. under the advanced section. So that's all for this video. And if you find the content interesting, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.